Welcome guys, today I am with the Bang Olufsen Beoplay E8 2.0 earbuds and I'm going to show you how you can connect them with your iPhone. So at the first, just remove them from this charging case, take them off. At the first, we have to focus on the right one. As you can see, inside R we can find indicator. We have to turn them on and it will light up. So just click and hold right here. As you can see right now, it's turned on. And next we have to move them to the pairing mode. So grab also the left one, click and hold this touch control panels, this one and this one. Let's make it together until this indicator move to the blue. Right now it's on the white, so we have to keep holding. Okay, if it is not working, just do the same. Click and hold them. Okay, and right now it turns to the blue. So it's working, so we can simply go for the settings on our iPhone, open the Bluetooth settings, click on the Bluetooth to enable Bluetooth feature and take a look on available devices list, select Beoplay E8 2.0 and we are successfully connected. And that's how we can make it step by step. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.